Hello students, in this video we are going to solve our Essay 1 Semester 1 paper of EVS subject Class 5 GCERT. So here let me start the solution for this chapter. The first question in this paper is question number 1A, that is choose the correct option. In that first one is this is a good habit. The options are given to you, that is to harass animals, to speak loudly, to break rules, to keep radio or TV volume low. So here your answer is option D, that is to keep radio or TV volume low is the good habit. Next, second number is why is cleanliness important? Why the cleanliness is important? So the options are to maintain health, to look good, to create jobs, or none of this. So here your answer is option A, to maintain health. The cleanliness is important. Next, third number, identify the types of cleaning jobs. Which are the cleaning jobs? The options are housekeeping, personal hygiene or personal cleaning, public sanitation, or all of these. So here your answer is option D, that is all of these. All of these are the cleaning jobs. Next, fourth number, which of the following is a physical exercise? So the options are running, jogging, walking, or all of these. So again your answer is option D, that is all of these are the examples of physical exercise. Next, fifth number, environment gives us blank to breathe. The options are air, water, land, or none of these. So here your answer is option A, air. Environment gives us air to breathe. Next is which of the following is a dicot seed? The seed which can break into two equal halves, that is known as the dicot seed. So which one is the dicot seed? The options are wheat, maize, pea, or millet. So here your answer is option C, that is pea is the example of dicot seed. Next, seventh number, which of the following is a national festival? The options are Diwali, Independence Day, Uttarayan, and Dashera. So here your answer is option B, that is Independence Day is the national festival. Other than that, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are also the national festivals. Next, eighth number, when do we celebrate the Republic Day? The options are 26th January, 17th June, 3rd May, or 12th July. So here your answer is option A, that is 26th January. On this day we are celebrating Republic Day. Next, ninth number, which festival is associated with Lord Ganesh? So the options are Diwali, Ramzan, Gandhi Jayanti, or Ganesh Utsav. So here your answer is option D, that is Ganesh Utsav is associated with Lord Ganesha, and that the people worship the Lord Ganesh. Next is 10th number, which festival is celebrated according to the date? The options are Diwali, Ramzan, Bihu, or Christmas. So here your answer is option D, Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December, and we are celebrating this according to date wise, that means its date is fixed. So here your answer is option D. Next, 11th number, which of the following animals can live in both water as well as on land? The options are frog, parrot, fox, or deer. So here your answer is option A, frog. It can live on water as well as on the land as well as in the water. Next, 12th number, which of the following birds is a scavenger? The options are cock, pigeon, vulture, or hawk. So here your answer is option C, vulture. It cleans or it eats the dead animals or dead decaying matter. So it is known as the cleaning bird, or you can say scavenger. Next is which of the following pair is incorrect? The options are donkey terrestrial, crow aquatic, frog amphibian, sparrow avian. So here your answer is option B, that is crow aquatic. Crow is not the aquatic animal, it is the avian. It can fly, so it is known as the avian. So here your answer is option B, this one is the incorrect pair. 14th number, which of the following professionals work in the post office? The options are teacher, postman, doctor, or gram sevak. So here your answer is option B, that is postman works in the post office. 15th number, which of the following professionals work in Gram Panchayat? The options are teacher, postman, driver or talati. So here your answer is option D, talati works in the Gram Panchayat. Next, 16th number, which among the following professionals uses chalk, duster and books as his or her tools? So the options are doctor, postman, peon or teacher. So here your answer is option D, teacher. Chalk, duster and books are the tools for the teacher. Next is, which is the only hill station of Gujarat? The options are Girnar, Satpura, Vindhyachal or Saputara. So here your answer is option D, that is Saputara is the only hill station of Gujarat. Here the answers for these MCQs are given to you. You can check your answers from here. Now next question is question number 1B. Question number 1B is fill in the blanks. In that first one is sesame, castor and groundnuts etc. are collectively called blank. So these all are the examples of oil seeds. So here your answer is oil seeds. Next is one organization donated a blank to Rupal. So one organization donated wheelchair to Rupal because Rupal was suffering from polio since her childhood. Next is the seeds which break into equal halves are called blank. So here your answer is dicot seeds. The seeds which can break into two equal halves are known as the dicot seeds. The answer is not pulses. Pulses are the examples of dicot seeds. So here your answer is dicot seeds. Next is blank is the festival of colors. So Holi, or you can also write Dhuleti, is the festival of colors. Next is blank is the festival of kite and string. So here your answer is Uttarayan, or you can also write Makar Sankranti. This is the festival of kites and string. Next, 6th number, two-legged animals that can fly are called blank. So the two-legged animals that can fly are known as the avians, and birds are the examples of the avians. So you have to write the avians. Avians is the right answer. Next is 7th number, a policeman catches a thief and makes him wear blank. So a policeman catches a thief and makes him wear handcuffs. So here your answer is handcuffs. 8th number, broom is the equipment of a blank. So it is the equipment of a sweeper. So here your answer is sweeper. Next, 9th number, blank is celebrated as Children's Day. So 14th November is celebrated as the Children's Day. So here your answer is 14th November. Next, 10th number, blank port is situated in Abdasa of Kutch. So here your answer is Kandla. Kandla port is situated in the Abdasa of Kutch. So these are the answers for your fill in the blanks. So here the answer is shown to you. These are the answers for the fill in the blanks. Question number 1B. Next is question number 2A. Write true or false. In that you have to write if the sentence is correct, then you have to write true, and if the sentence is wrong, then you have to write false. First in that is, we should throw litter on the road. So here your answer is false. We should not throw litter, or you can say dust or waste, on the roads. Next is, we use pots to store water and to cook rice. So here your answer is true. It is the uses of pot. Next is, bottle gourd grows on the climber. So again your answer is true. It grows on the climber, which need support to grow, or for the balance. Next is, many talukas combine to form a district. Again your answer is true. Many talukas together make the district. Next, 5th number, plants are not necessary for our survival on the earth. So here your answer is false. Plants are necessary for the survival of human being on the earth, as it gives us oxygen, as well as we are using this as the food and many more purposes. So without plants, it is not possible for a human being to survive on the planet. Next is 6 number, stethoscope is an equipment used to listen the heartbeat and breathing. So here your answer is true. It is the tool of doctors and he uses it to listen the heartbeats and breathing. Next, 7th number, pliers and wrenches are the equipments of a conductor. So here your answer is false. These are the equipments of the mechanic. Next, 8th number, birthday of Sri Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day. So here your answer is true. On 14th November, on the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, we are celebrating Children's Day. 9th number, Sabarmati river is called the lifeline of Gujarat. So here your answer is false. Narmada river is known as the lifeline of Gujarat. Next is Nal Sarovar is a bird sanctuary. So here your answer is true. So here the answers for the true false are shown to you. You can check your answers from here. Next is question 2b. Match the following. The first one is porter. So porter makes pots. So here your answer is option B. Next is tailor. So tailor stitches clothes. Next, then after third number is cobbler. So cobbler makes footwear. Fourth number, costermonger. So costermonger sells vegetables. And last one is cattle rearer. So cattle rearer sells milk. So here your answer is this one. You can check your answers. Next, second number. Here the name of the different animals are given to you. And the sanctuaries which are reserved for this animal are located at where, that you have to find out. The first one in that is wild ass. So the sanctuary for the wild ass is located at Kutch. So here your answer is option B. Next is bear. So for that your answer is Jaisar. Then after third number is black buck. So the sanctuary for black buck is located at Bhavnagar. Then after fourth number is lion. So for that your answer is Gir Sasan, and last one is Sabar. So your answer is Bardi Pada. So these are the different animals and the sanctuaries located at different places. So this is the answer for your matching. Then after next question is question number 2c. Name the following. In that first one is 2 examples of monocot seed. So you can write any of the 2 examples of monocot seed like rice, wheat, millet. These are the some of the examples. Next is 2 examples of dicot seeds. In that you have to write the name of the seeds which can break into 2 equal halves like almond, moth bean, peas, gram, etc. Next is 2 examples of oil seeds. So here you can write the seeds which leaves the oily marks on the paper while rubbing its crushed. So you can write groundnuts, castor, etc. Here the answer for the question number 2c, that is name the following, is shown to you. You can check your answers from here. Then after next question number is question number 3, that is differentiate between the following. In that you have to write the difference between cereals and pulses. So here the answer is given to you, that is difference between cereals and pulses. So cereals are the examples of monocot seeds, whereas pulses are the dicot seeds, or they are the examples of the dicot seeds. Next in the cereals, so cereals do not break into 2 equal halves, whereas pulses break into 2 equal halves. The another one is their use. So cereals are used to make flour, whereas pulses are used to make dal. And last one is their examples. That is wheat and rice are the examples of cereals, and green gram and pea are the examples of pulses. So this is the difference between cereals and pulses. Next is question number 4a, that is classification. In that first one is classify the given seeds in monocot seeds and dicot seeds. So the first one is maize. So maize is the monocot seed. Then after next one is rice. So rice is also monocot seed. these both are cannot break into two equal halves, so they are the monocot seeds. Next is pigeon peas. So pigeon pea is the example of dicot seed, and last one is mango seed. So mango seed is also the example of dicot seed. So this one is your answer. Next, second classification is between the things obtained from plants and the things obtained from animals. These things we are obtaining from what? Plants or animals. In that first one is eggs. So we are getting eggs from the animals. The next one is wool. So we are getting also wool from the animals like sheep, camel, etc. Next is wood. So we are getting wood from the plants or from the trees. So it is the plant product. Last one is paper. Again we are getting the paper from the plant. So it is also the plant product. So this is the answer for your first classification, and then after this one is the answer for the second classification. Now next is question number 4b. In that you have to write the answers in the short. So answer the following questions in short. That was your question. Here we will see directly answers for this question. In that first question was, what is public property? So here the answer is given to you that any facility which is not owned by an individual but is used by everyone is the public property. Any property which is used by the all people or everyone is known as the public property, like benches, parks, temples, etc. Next question was, when hand washing day is celebrated? So here your answer is that hand washing day is celebrated on 15th October. Next, third number, in which country do you require license to buy television? So here your answer is England. In England you require license to buy a television. Next, fourth number was, what are the essential things required for a man to live? So a man requires shelter, air, water, food and clothes to live. Next, fifth number was, which factors are responsible for a seed to germinate? So these are some of the factors which are required or essential for the germination of the seed, that is air, water and sunlight. Next question was, what is the significance of Republic Day? So the Republic Day has a big significance, as 26th January or January 26th in 1950 is the day when the Constitution of India came into effect or came into existence. Next, seventh number question was, what is the need of residence in our life? So residence is the place where we live. It protects us from the heat, cold and rain. So this is the importance of the residence in our life. Next, eighth number was, which animals are used to lift heavy loads? So these are some of the examples of animals which are used to lift the heavy loads, that is ox, horse, camel, donkey, elephant, etc. Next, ninth number was, name some articles made from leather. So here some examples are given to you. You can write any article which is made up of leather, like footwear, belts, bags, wallets, etc. Next, 10th number was, how doctor is useful to us. So doctor treats patient. So this is how and doctor cure or make sure it identifies the disease and it gives the proper medication to the patient. So this is the how doctor useful to us. Next, 11th number was, what do you mean by a sanctuary? So a protected region where animals and birds can move freely without any fear and can be protected and breed is known as the sanctuary. So this one is the sanctuary. So here your question number 4b gets over. Next question in your paper was question number 5a, that was, answer the following questions in details. You have to write any 6. Total 7 questions are given to you. In that first question was, what is primary duty and which other primary duties should be followed? So here the answer is given to you that the responsibility of an individual to preserve and to maintain their surrounding is our primary duty. We have to preserve, or you can say conserve, and we have to maintain properly our surrounding is our primary duty. And it is our primary duty to utilize our amenities or the facility which we are getting. So we have to utilize, or we have to use them wisely and rationally. So these are the our what is the primary duty, answer for what is the primary duty. Next is which primary duties should we follow. So the other primary duties to be followed are, some examples are given to you, like do not cut trees, then after do not pluck flowers from the gardens. The next duty is do not scribble or write anything on the walls of your home, house or school or any other public places. So these are the some of the examples of primary duties. Next, question number 2 was, what do you do if you cannot come to school? So if I am not able to come to school for any reason, I will call any of my classmate and ask him about what has been taught in the school, and as well as with that, what was the homework was given on that day. Then I will try to study that on my own and also try to complete the given homework. This thing you should do if you are not able to go to school. And if there is any difficulty, I will note down that difficulty and ask the teacher on the very next day. So this you have to do if you are not able to go to school. Next, third number question was, why are the national festivals celebrated? So what is the significance of national festivals? So the national festivals commemorate the sacrifice of our great leaders and freedom fighters who laid down their lives in the foundation of this country. By these national festivals, we are remembering the sacrifice of our leaders and freedom fighters who gave up their lives or who sacrificed their lives for the foundation of our country. And the celebration of these festivals also help in the planting the seeds of nationalism and patriotism amongst the people of our country, India. So this is why we are celebrating national festivals. Next, fourth number question was, how are these following animals are useful to us? In that you have to write about two animals, that is honeybee and earthworm. So honeybee gives us honey and earthworm makes agricultural land fertile and soft. This is how these both animals are useful to us. The fifth number was, explain the importance of plants. So here some importance or useful things of plants is given to you. In that first one is, trees gives us shade. Then after next one is, trees keep the atmosphere cool. Next is, trees are helpful in bringing rain. They stop soil erosion. They give us fresh air. They limit the desert. They give us wood for fuel and furniture. Other than that, they give us medicines. Plants give us food, grains, pulses, vegetables, spices and fruits which we are eating. And plants give fragrant and colorful flowers that increase the beauty of our surroundings. So these are the importance of the plants. This is the 2 marks question, so you can write any 4 of these points. Next, 6 number question was, how are the following professionals useful? In that you have to write about policeman and sweeper. So in that first one is policeman. So he maintains or they maintains law and order in a region, and they protect people from the thieves and also their belongings. So this is how the policeman helpful to us. Next is sweeper. So sweeper sweeps school, roads, office and streets. So this is how these professionals are useful to us. Next, 7th number was sanctuaries for which animals are there in Gujarat and where are these sanctuaries located? So the answer here is given to you that there are sanctuaries in Gujarat for animals like sloth bear, wild ash, black buck, chinkara, lion, etc. And the location for these sanctuaries are, for the sloth bear, it is located in Jaisar in Banaskantha district. For wild ass, it is located in Kutch. For Black Buck, it is located in Bhavnagar. For Chinkara, it is located in Kutch. And for the lion, it is located in the Gir or Junagadh. So this one is the answer for the 7th number question. So here your question number 5A gets over. The last question of your paper was question number 5B, that is locate the following districts on the map of Gujarat. In that you have to locate 4 districts, that was Kutch, Jamnagar, Anand and Gandhinagar. So here it is shown to you. First one Kutch, Gandhinagar is here. The Jamnagar is here and Anand is also shown to you in this map. So this one is your solution for the Essay 1 Semester 1 examination of EVS of class 5. Thank you.